Hey there, today we're diving into HeyGen, an AI avatar generator that's been making some noise lately. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look and see what it really offers. So, what exactly is HeyGen? At its core, it's an AI tool that lets you create personalized avatars quickly and easily. You can generate avatars that look like you or even completely different just by uploading a few images. The interface is straightforward, making it accessible for users of all skill levels, whether you're a casual user or someone looking for professional grade results. Right off the bat, the quality of the avatars is impressive. The AI does a great job capturing facial features and expressions, which is a standout aspect. However, I did notice some limitations in customization options. For instance, while you can tweak certain features, the level of detail might not satisfy those looking for absolute precision. It's also worth mentioning that the platform feels a little bare bones in terms of additional features like background settings or animation options, which could enhance the user experience. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, HeyGen offers a user-friendly interface and delivers high-quality avatars, which is a huge plus for anyone wanting quick results. It's perfect for social media profiles, gaming, or even business presentations. But there are some downsides. The customization options can feel a bit limited, especially if you're looking for something unique. Also, I noticed that some users have raised concerns about data privacy and how their images are handled. Plus, while the pricing isn't outrageous, it might not be the best value for those who only need to create a few avatars occasionally. Overall, if you're someone who values simplicity and quality, HeyGen could be a solid choice. But if you're after more advanced features, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, HeyGen is a solid AI avatar generator for those who want quick and high quality results without a steep learning curve. If you're in the market for a simple tool, it's worth a try. However, if you need extensive customization or have privacy concerns, you might be better off looking elsewhere. Thanks for watching.